Hello, this is KC from KC Grandpa Tech, where your geeky grandpa talks tech stuff and more. Listen, I want to talk to you being ready. We've had a lot of hurricanes and things like that, and it's good to have solar backup batteries and things of that nature. And I did a review of that some time ago, so I'm going to get into that right now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and let's get into that right now. Now, one of the nice things about rechargeable batteries, of course, you can reuse them over and over again, 500 up to 500 times, depending upon how far you drain them down and how long they times between charges. But what the nice thing about the 4 Patriots batteries, and they come in multiple sizes, anywhere from a AA, a C, I think it's a D, and a 9-volt battery, and I think I saw AA, but I'm not sure. What's nice about these, of course, is that not only are they a standard size rechargeable battery, is that they're also versatile in that you can remove the cap like so and plug them into a USB charger. That makes it really, really versatile, because once you can do that, you're able to plug them in like so, put the cap back on, and they become regular batteries, so you can charge them in a standard Nicad charger, or you could charge them on a USB charger. And depending upon the amount of power coming out from your charger will determine how long it takes to charge them. Now, my kit came with 4-port USB connector, which allows me to plug into a charger. And if you have something like this, which I reviewed in another video, they have multiple different types of solar panel charging blocks like this, which have lights and various types of charger lights, power, charging. But the nice thing about them is, if your power, once you've depleted these batteries, and if you have enough of them, you can plug this literally into here, and then plug these into this splitter, and then put it out in the sun and charge up your batteries again. So you have a continuous supply of batteries during your power outage. It's also great when you're out camping, or you're in a place where there's no electricity and you want to have power. This is just another versatile way to use it. And now another thing I'm going to show you in a second. The beauty of these also is that they do let you know how charged they are. And I'll show you that in a second. Now, one of the things I liked about these batteries, not only that, of course, that they're dual charge ability, is that when they're first plugged in, I'm going to take the camera and put it over here so you can see. You can see they're all glowing red. I just plugged them in. So when they first start up, they're charging blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, telling you that you are starting. But they continue to be red and then turn a bluish blue color when they're fully charged. So not only is it very versatile, it'll let you know when it's fully charged also. And at the same time, I'm sure that, and I haven't tested it yet, from what I've heard, is that it'll be blue when it's fully charged, and then when it's red when it's dying. Anyway, let me continue on. So, I hope that's been interesting to you. Again, the 4 Patriots batteries are really another methodology. They just came out with them that I just found out about. Again, it's a 1450 milliamp Nicad battery, which gives you 2 possibilities of connecting to charge it. What's going to be good is that no matter what the situation, you'll be able to plug it in and charge up your batteries. And since you can dual charge either way from your regular Nicad charger, or you can hook them up to a USB charger, or you can connect it to some type of solar charging device like I talked about. So again, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like and the bell so you know when I'm on. And until next time, this is KC from KC Grandpa Tech out.